Okay, so on the next three slides, you are going to use Adobe Color Wheel at the link to create some custom color blends according to the rules as you previously have defined those terms: analogous, complementary, and split complementary. So when you come to Adobe Color Wheel, you will see this little drop down menu. So that's where you can select your color scheme. And so we're going to stick with analogous for this example. So the system will recognize the rules for that color grouping and give you a selection of colors. I want you to create and move and manipulate these pieces so that they have colors that you enjoy. So you can move these cursors all around. You can place those colors closer together, but you're going to see that they all stick together like one big section of the pie. That's because that's what analogous color scheme is like. Now, if you're saying, hey, you want lighter values, so tints of those colors, you can drag these in, but you could also drag them individually up or in and out throughout that circle until you get a blend that you like. You'll see it displayed up here in the top right. If you scroll down, you'll also see that selection of colors. Right now, you can see there are six different colors. Let's say maybe you only really like four of them. You can also remove and add swatches down in this menu here. So when you get a color grouping that you like, I would like for you to take a screenshot of just that color scheme so that you can then paste it on the slide in your slideshow.